In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Airtable with SharePoint, or more accurately, how to request an official integration directly from within Airtable. If you've been hoping to connect your Airtable base with SharePoint for smoother collaboration or data syncing, I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to follow. First, on your computer, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any browser you normally use. In the address bar at the top, type in the Airtable website address and press Enter. Wait for the Airtable homepage to load, then sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in Airtable, locate and open the base that you want to integrate with SharePoint. This should be the base where your relevant tables and data are stored. Take a moment to confirm that this is the correct base, because the request you're about to make will be tied to the way you're using this particular base. Inside your base, look near your list of tables on the left. You'll see an option labeled Add or Import, usually with a plus sign next to it. Click on this option. This is where Airtable lets you bring in data from different places or set up connections with other services. After clicking Add or Import, a menu will appear. From this menu, choose Add from Other Sources. This tells Airtable that you're interested in connecting or importing from an external service rather than creating a brand new table from scratch. When you select Add from Other Sources, you'll see another option called More Sources. Click on that as well. This is where you can find additional integration options beyond the most common ones. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the list that appears. At the bottom, you'll see a link or button labeled Request an Integration. Go ahead and click that. Instead of setting up a live integration immediately, Airtable will open a form where you can request support for a new service. In this form, you'll need to specify SharePoint as the service you want to integrate with. Make sure you clearly type SharePoint so Airtable's team knows exactly which platform you're referring to. This helps them track how many users are asking for the same connection and understand the demand for this particular integration. Below that, you'll see a space to provide additional details or describe your use case. This is optional, but it's very helpful. Here, explain briefly how you'd like Airtable to work with SharePoint. For example, you might mention whether you want to sync lists, share documents, or keep certain fields updated between the two platforms. The clearer you are, the easier it is for Airtable to understand why this integration matters and how it would be used in real workflows. Once you've filled in the relevant fields and you're satisfied with your description, submit the request. After you do this, there's nothing more you need to configure inside your base. Airtable will collect these requests and may notify you if or when the SharePoint integration becomes available, usually through email or in-app updates. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of requesting an Airtable integration with SharePoint, giving the Airtable team the information they need to prioritize and design a potential connection that fits your needs.